Hi everybody, it's Master Trainer and Online Coach Jennifer Nicole, and I am warmly inviting you to a happy Sunday fun day yoga experience, my take on yoga. It's going to be a deep detox, sexy sculpt and stretch on Sunday, October the 27th at the Hideout Cafe in downtown Miami, produced by Brand X Journey in collaboration with Vinci Vision. I'm really excited to give back to the community with this free yoga workout. So bring your mats, all fitness levels, and it's not mandatory, but if you feel inclined to give a donation in honor of the charity that I'm working with, which is Breast Cancer Awareness, Susan G. Komen, please do so. Plus, I'll be giving tons of giveaways. Space is limited, so get your tickets today at jnlyoga.com, and I will see you there.